remove the hose connected to this fitting. Also remove the hose from this connector. Be careful not to lose or damage the washer. Unscrew the hose. All of these hoses need to be unscrewed first. Then unscrew and remove the base. After passing the faucet through the sink, reinstall the base and secure it in place. Use the hot and cold color markings on the handle to identify the correct hoses. Then reconnect them accordingly. Reconnect the hose to this fitting and restore it to its original position. Make sure the hot, cold, and filtered water hoses are connected correctly. Installation complete.